Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add photo in your contact. So first of all, let's be sure that you have some photo which you want to add to your contact. I don't have it, so I will try to make some picture. For example, I'm gonna pick up the photo of this candlelight. Okay, this is just for example. Now go to your contact, pick up some contacts which you want to add the photo. In my case this will be good. And now pick up this little icon here on the app, and there is add picture here. Add picture from the gallery which we already made it. Allow for the first time. And now we're gonna try to select a photo. Now phone is searching for the photo. If there we have some photo. Yeah, we have some photo with candlelight, so pick it up. You can draw and drop to personalize this photo for you. That's it. One more time. Choice here. And that's it. Save now. And there you have a photo to your contact. It's looking good. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.